Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best bakeware sets. Here are the top 3 bakeware sets that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Farberware Nonstick Steel Bakeware Set. This bakeware set is made of steel instead of aluminum, which means it will last longer. This set includes a 12-inch square baking pan, 9-inch round cake pan, and 8-inch square loaf pan for creating all your favorite baked goods. It's dishwasher safe and oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it on any surface or in the oven. Its handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, making them easier to handle. These pans are oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe. At number 2. Calphalon Nonstick Bakeware 10PC Bakeware Set. This bakeware set is made of hard anodized aluminum for even heat distribution. Its non-stick interior provides a release surface that's easy to clean. This bakeware set includes 8x3 mini loaf pan, 9x5 loaf pan, 10-cup muffin tin, 12-cup muffin tin, 2 QT round casserole dish with cover, and 11 1/4 by 7.5. Its durable non-stick surface is PTFE/PFOA free, dishwasher safe, and oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Its oven safe glass lids allow you to check on your food without releasing heat or moisture. At number 1. Amazon Basics 6-piece non-stick oven bakeware baking set. It is an affordable and durable set of bakeware for all your baking needs. This oven bakeware set includes a 9x13 cake pan, 8x8 square pan, 11 3/4 round cake pan with removable bottom, 12-cup muffin tin, and 2 half-sheet pans. It is made from heavy-gauge steel with a non-stick coating that will not flake or peel off over time like some cheaper brands. Its all pieces are non-stick for easy cleanup after cooking. It is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook your favorite dishes without worrying about burning them. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.